Show me how you dance.
Are you making video pics?
I sure am. Keep going.
That's gonna be right there.
That's pretty sweet.
This is a hot step.
Show me some kicks.
Oh,
Caleb, show me some kicks.
do some kicks.
We breakdancing now?
We can learn how to
Keep
do that.
going. Stand up and dance. That was great. Take a bow.
Take a bow. Can you bow?
Stand up and take a bow.
There you go.
Okay.
More dancing. We're breaking on the floor.
Can you show us the 6-step?
Ooh, that was good.
Can you serve someone? Caleb, serve Daddy. Say, Daddy, you got served.
You got served.
Do whatever you got, sir.
No, I don't.
Yo,
Say,
whatever.
Daddy, I'll serve your face.
I'll serve your face right back.
No, you could.
I will.
No, you can't.
I did.
You can't serve mine.
I will. I'll serve you all over your face.
That's why I served all of you.
You served all of us.
I guess you have to send this to Uncle Andrew now.
Yep.
Maybe you can serve Uncle Andrew.
Why?
Say, Uncle Andrew, you got served.
Uncle Andrew, you got served.
Say, oh yeah, you got served.
You got served.
Can you say, oh yeah?
Why? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.